Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're going to practice 100 simple English sentences for daily life. These sentences are easy and useful, so you can use them in your everyday conversations. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and try to speak out loud. Are you ready? Let's get started. 1. Good morning. Good morning. 2. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. 3. Good evening. Good evening. 4. How are you? How are you? 5. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. 6. How are you doing? How are you doing? 7. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. 8. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. 9. See you later. See you later. 10. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. 11. I'm at home. I'm at home. 12. I'm in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen. 13. I'm making breakfast. I'm making breakfast. 14. I'm having a cup of tea. I'm having a cup of tea. 15. The kettle is boiling. The kettle is boiling. 16. Please sit down. Please sit down. 17. Please come in. Please come in. 18. Close the door, please. Close the door, please. 19. Open the window, please. Open the window, please. 20. The room is cold. The room is cold. 21. I usually get up early. I usually get up early. 22. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. 23. I need to take a shower. I need to take a shower. 24. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm brushing my teeth. 25. I'm getting dressed. I'm getting dressed. 26. I'm having breakfast. I'm having breakfast. 27. I'm going to work. I'm going to work. 28. I'm going to school. I'm going to school. 29. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. 30. I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. 31. I'm going shopping. I'm going shopping. 32. Where's the supermarket? Where's the supermarket? 33. How much is this? How much is this? 34. Is this on sale? Is this on sale? 35. Can I have a bag, please? Can I have a bag, please? 36. I'm just looking, thanks. I'm just looking, thanks. 37. I'd like this one, please. I'd like this one, please. 38. Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a smaller size? 39. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? 40. Here's your change. Here's your change. 41. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. 42. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. 43. What would you like? What would you like? 44. I'd like some tea, please. I'd like some tea, please. 45. Can I have some water? Can I have some water? 46. The food is ready. The food is ready. 47. Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. 48. It smells good. It smells good. 49. This tastes great. This tastes great. 50. I've had enough. I've had enough. 51. I'm going out. I'm going out. 52. Where are you going? Where are you going? 53. I'm going to the shops. I'm going to the shops. 54. I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. 55. Wait for me, please. Wait for me, please. 56. Let's go. Let's go. 57. Come with me. Come with me. 58. Be careful. Be careful. 59. Don't be late. Don't be late. 60. See you soon. See you soon. 61. What are you doing? What are you doing? 62. Where are you going? Where are you going? 63. What time is it? What time is it? 64. What happened? What happened? 65. What do you mean? What do you mean? 66. Can you help me? Can you help me? 67. Can you say that again? Can you say that again? 68. Can you speak slowly, please? Can you speak slowly, please? 69. Do you understand? Do you understand? 70. Are you ready? Are you ready? 71. Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand. 72. No, I don't understand. No, I don't understand. 73. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. 74. I don't know. I don't know. 75. I think so. I think so. 76. Maybe later. Maybe later. 77. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. 78. That's fine. That's fine. 79. No problem. No problem. 80. That's okay. That's okay. 81. Please help me. Please help me. 82. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. 83. You're welcome. You're welcome. 84. Excuse me. Excuse me. 85. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. 86. That's all right. That's all right. 87. Never mind. Never mind. 88. Could you help me, please? Could you help me, please? 89. Could I have some water, please? Could I have some water, please? 90. Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? 91. I'm learning English. I'm learning English. 92. I practice every day. I practice every day. 93. I want to speak English well. I want to speak English well. 94. I'm trying to improve. I'm trying to improve. 95. I'm learning new words. I'm learning new words. 96. I need more practice. I need more practice. 97. I sometimes make mistakes. I sometimes make mistakes. 98. That's okay. That's okay. 99. I'll keep practicing. I'll keep practicing. 100. I can speak English. I can speak English. Well done. You practiced 100 daily English sentences today. Keep practicing these sentences every day, and you will become more confident in English. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep improving.